Hi, and welcome to this Breeze ID portal tutorial on how to change data or ID photo on a credential in your shopping cart. You can always find your shopping cart by clicking on the icon up in the right-hand corner. To change the data on an item in your shopping cart, find the credential in the list and press on the template name. The credential you click on will open in a new window in your browser. Check that this is the correct credential that you want to change data on, and press the Reorder Credential button. If you want to change data or ID photo on a credential, press the Replace Existing button. You can also use this function to order a credential with the same data on a new template. If so, press Copy and keep existing. If you have the option to select card templates, select the one you want to use. You can select the same or different template than on the original credential. When the template is selected, you will see the same data and ID photo as registered on the original credential. You are now able to change or add data and ID photo on the new credential. When you have finished changing the data, press Continue to see a preview of the new credential. If the preview is okay, add the credential to your shopping cart. You are also able to go back and edit the data again. You can now add another credential or add accessories to your cart before you go to checkout. Your new credential is now added to your cart, and the original is removed. When your Breeze shopping cart is ready to check out, click Next. If you want to wait for adding other credentials or products, your shopping cart will be stored in your account if you log out. If you have the option to select address or can add a new one, choose your preferred shipping address and shipping method and click Next. Check all your registered order information. Fill in if some mandatory data are missing. If you have the option, you can make your order be prioritized in the production. If you want to approve the order, enable and click the Place Order button by using the slider. As long as your order have status pending, you are able to cancel it. If you need to cancel only one of multiple order lines, then follow this tutorial to reorder all the credentials you want to keep before you cancel the order. Thank you for using the Breeze ID portal to secure identities. For more information, go to breeze-portal.com.